Now, in these lessons, you're going to look for words that are used inappropriately. And they're homonyms, words that sound alike but are spelled differently and have different meanings. And a lot of times people confuse them because they make the same sound. So what you're going to do, you're going to look for 14 homonyms that are misused. Let's start. Jamie rose sleepily from his warm bed and stuck his bare feet in his sneakers. Any word there that's wrong? Well, one, bear. Bear, and it's a heavy, large animal, has claws. That's not what he's putting on his feet. His feet are bare, meaning without clothing or covered. So that word is used wrong, so we cross out bear, B-E-A-R, and write above it bear, B-A-R-E. Then type it on your computer. You know what to do. Place the cursor behind the R on the bear, hit the backspace 4 times, and then retype it, B-A-R-E. He reached for some warm clothes because the mornings were still chilly. Any problems there? Well, the word close means to close something, like to close the door, and it should be something he wears. So that word is crossed out, and close is spelled C-L-O-T-H-E-S. It was early, too early to be up, especially on a Sunday morning like this one. Any problem? No. But a promise was a promise, and he couldn't afford yet another accident. Yesterday he had forgotten to take Murphy, his new dog, out for a walk, and his mom had not been very happy with what had happened because of it. 2 days ago something similar had happened, and the week before as well. Any problem in those? Well, look at 2, T-O-O. That's wrong. It's talking about the number of days, so T-O-O is wrong, and it should be T-W-O. So cross out the T-O-O and write above it T-W-O. 2 days ago something similar had happened, and the week before as well. Anything else in that sentence? Well, weak is wrong. Weak, W-E-A-K, means not strong. And it should be weak because we're talking about a period of 7 days. So W-E-A-K is crossed out and replaced with W-E-E-K. Now let's look at the next sentence. When we got you that dog, you promised that you would not let things like this happen, his mom had said. He's your responsibility. Any problems there? Well, yeah. Look at the contraction. He's your responsibility. Your is a contraction. That means you are. And that's wrong. It should be possessive, your. It should be Y-O-U-R, relating to or belonging to you. It's possessive. So cross out the contraction your and write in Y-O-U-R. And then do the same on your computer. You know how to do it. Jamie sighed. He always wanted a dog, but he was surprised that it required more of him than he'd thought. He had to take Murphy out for a walk twice a day, wash him, play with him, feed him, clean up after him. Any problems in that sentence? He had to take Murphy out for a walk. 4 is a number. That's wrong. It should be F-O-R. F-O-R is a preposition, so cross out the F-O-U-R and write F-O-R above it. Look at the next sentence. He loved Murphy. Jamie had just never realized how much of a responsibility having a pet actually meant. Any problems? No. By the time Jamie made his way downstairs, Murphy was already at the door, impatient to be let out. He barked excitedly the moment he saw Jamie. Any problems? No. Hello, boy, Jamie said, patting his dog affectionately and attaching the leash to the collar. Are you ready? Let's go. Any problems? No. Let's go to the next sentence. The 2 of them made their way to the park, where they passed by other people walking their pets. Any problems there? Well, yeah. First of all, the T-O is wrong. It's the two of them, the number 2. So TWO replaces TO. So cross out the TO and write TWO above it, and then make the editing change on your computer. The two of them made their way to the park. Made their way. It's their way. It should be possessive. There means in that place. There is relating to or belonging to. So there, THERE is crossed out, and write the possessive THEIR above it. The two of them made their way to the park, where they passed by other people walking their pets. Is there another word that's wrong? Well, yeah, buy. Buy means to purchase something. BY means close to something. So buy is crossed out, and BY is placed above it. Murphy barked at some of the squirrels and chased after rabbits. Any problems? No. He then rolled among the early spring flowers. Any problem there? Well, flowers is wrong. Flour is a ground-up grain, very fine. We bake with flour. But he didn't roll among that. He rolled among the flowers, FLOWER. So flowers, FLOURS, is crossed out. Then the correct word is written above it, FLOWERS. Then make the same correction on your computer. Jamie laughed as he saw Murphy's funny antics. After he had run together and enjoyed the fresh morning air, they made their way back home. Both were very hungry and thirsty. Any problems there? Well, yeah, the word vary is wrong. VARY. That means to be different. And that's not the right word. The right word is very, VERY, which means to a great degree, extremely. So do the correction. Let's look at the next sentence. Jamie made sure that Murphy had plenty to eat and drink before he washed up and served himself some cereal. Any problem with that? Well, yeah, the word cereal, the way it's spelled, means to arrange or happen in a series. But cereal's breakfast food. So it should be changed. So it's CEREAL. So the one cereal is crossed out, and cereal, breakfast food, is written above it. As Jamie ate his breakfast, Murphy sat next to him and rested his head against his leg. Any problems there? Well, 8 is a number. It should be 8, ATE. So 8, the number, is crossed out, and ATE is written above it, and then typed on the computer. Murphy sat next to him and rested his head against his leg. Jamie was glad. He realized that with Murphy around, he never felt lonely or bored. Jamie really loved his dog. Any problems there? Well, yeah, the word bored is wrong. Bored there is a long, thin piece of wood. Bored means to be tired or annoyed at things or uninterested. So bored, B-O-A-R-D, needs to be replaced with B-O-R-E-D. And then type it on your computer. Make the correction on your computer. Now, we've done a lot. Let's go back and count them. We should have 14 words that were wrong. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hey, we got them all. You and I have done good together. Now, your job is going to be to do the other exercises just like we did these. This is an important skill that you're learning, and it makes you a better writer and a better editor.